Buyer activity rose 12.1% this week, but is 12.3% below last year this same time. It's Friday, April 18th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner, reporting from the Eastern Shore office of Kinetic Realty. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore report. New contracts rose 13.4% this week as the median list price fell 2.7% to $450,000. Active inventory is up 2.9% week over week and a 24.4% increase from last year. 124 homes are coming soon. 1,959 properties came to the market this past week. 191 homes went under contract in 22 days. 124 homes settled at 97.2% list to sold ratio with days on the market at 19 days. 94 homes are for lease and available at a median $2,000 a month. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for Friday, April 18th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, stay safe, and I'll see you next Friday. Take care.